This is the best way and the easiest way to add products from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. Now this is very easy and quick. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to open your Shopify store and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Alright, now in the top you want to search for CJ Dropshipping. We just want to download the app so that it will help us import products or add products from CJ to our Shopify. Now this is the app that we need to download. It's called CJ Dropshipping. Click on it and you want to click on add app. Next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on install app in the top right, and it will take you directly to your CJ account. Now if you don't have an account, you want to click on register and you have to create an account. If you already have it, just click on authorize, as you can see, click confirm and wait for it a few seconds. Alright, now after you do this, guys, you need to close all of this. Okay, you need to close CJ, you need to close everything, and you need to click on X here, this X here, and after that you need to click again on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels. I'm just going to reload the page because I have downloaded the app. As you can see, this is the app that we have to click on. It's called CJ Dropshipping. Click on it, and in the top right here, it says there open app. Click on open app, and as you can see how you are going to CJ Dropshipping. It's almost here. Please wait, just give it a few seconds. All right, now what you need to do, guys, next is you want to scroll down a little bit and find any product. It could be any product. Just click on connect. Now we just want to connect our Shopify store to our CJ. Okay, now you want to click on select store and select the store here. So this is my store, and you want to click on sync, click on confirm, and wait for it like 10 seconds, sometimes like 12 seconds. Yeah, that's it. And then after that, after you do this, guys, you want to click on dropshipping.com in the top left, and now you have to select like find a product, search for it, or anything like that. I'm going to search for a random product, for example this one. Click on it, scroll down a little bit and click on list. Now after you click on list, you want to scroll down a little bit and you want to add here the product type. Okay, add new, for example, gaming desk. Of course you are going to edit this after. You want to click on confirm. I'm going to tell you guys how you can edit the information on your Shopify after you have added the products to your Shopify. I'm going to tell you how you can edit these information. Now you want to add the product type here, and you need to scroll down a little bit, and if you have different variations here, you want to enter here your price. Okay, this is the price of the item. It says here the total dropshipping cost, and this is the price that I am going to sell it for on my Shopify. It's going to be $400. Now after that, guys, store is lower than CJ price. Okay, I'm going to do 4,000 because this is like another currency. All right, now after you select your store price, you wanna, as you can see, it says here my orders. If you are shipping to United States, you want to select here United States. Most stores, they ship to United States. Okay, because like, you know, Americans, they have a lot of money. So yeah, and the shipping method, you can select which shipping method you want. So I would suggest this one. It's cheaper. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on list it now. Okay, and it says here listing in progress. You may check the listing states on listing. Listed products can be managed in listed. Now you just want to wait for it, and it says here listed successfully. The product has been listed to your store successfully. Now you want to go to your Shopify, close this, and you want to click on products, and here you will find the product. You want to click on it, and now you can change a lot of things you want. For example, the title, the description, everything. If you want to change the price, click on here, next, click on leave page, and it will take you to another page here, and then you can change a lot of things. After you finish, guys, you just want to click on save. You just want to click save in the top right, and that's exactly, guys, how you can import products from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify. Now, if you have any questions, you don't understand anything, I reply to every single comment. Just drop a like and let me know what question you have in the comments. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Okay, see you guys in the next video.